Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. Today, on this beautiful, wonderful 2018, it is Tuesday, January the 9th, and I'm back. What a long vacation. I tell you, the last week of December is a busy, busy, busy time for me and my family. I have Christmas, birthdays, and I just celebrated my 25th wedding anniversary. All that happens in a span of Christmas week, 1 week. So it's a busy time. And then here's the kicker. As soon as the new year comes, guess what? The entire household comes down with the flu. So I've been out of commission for a couple of weeks, but it's good to be back. I must tell you that it feels amazing to be back. But in a way, it was a good thing that I was able to get away and be able to get some much needed rest. But here we are, new year with amazing things on the horizon. The thing that I'm excited about the most is a lot of the um, the situations that are going on in the crypto space. Now, I showed you timelines back in December on where we should be headed, and all of those scenarios have played out. Last year was just an amazing year, and I hope you're sitting down because this year is going to be 10 times greater than last year. I believe that markets are setting up to do some pretty incredible things. I do not believe we have seen the highs in Bitcoin or any of the altcoins. I think the movements have really yet to begin. What you're looking at is an unprecedented time in history. I like to call it Internet 2.0 because back during the initial tech bubble of the 90s, it was all about the building of the internet and its capabilities and what it would be like in the future, what it would mean. There was so much uncertainty about companies and how they make profits with such a new thing, a technology that had never existed before. All times of all types of questions and endless possibilities. There were startups popping up like every day, just like now. There's a new coin that seems to come to market every day, every week. Everyone's looking for the next big IPO or ICO. All types of things happening on the horizon. And everyone's rushing and falling and tripping over themselves to get involved. That's what was happening in the tech bubble. All right. And that thing didn't pop until 2000. All right. So this is just starting. So you still have at least 5 more years of foundational building within the crypto space before you can even begin to start calling it a bubble. Everyone's not involved like it was back during the tech bubble. Remember, everything moves in waves and cycles. And right now, the wave is Internet 2.0. The blockchain is the new internet. It's the new big thing. It's the new big idea. It's the new technology that's going to change the way we interact with things and each other. It's an amazing mechanism with endless possibilities, and everyone's getting involved. Exchanges are falling over themselves to create ETFs and futures contracts involving the blockchain and its cryptos. Everyone wants to be involved. Another thing that propped up while I was gone, just in the span of a couple of weeks now, everybody is an expert in offering some type of trading study course for trading cryptos. My question is, where were you back in 2011 when my man Da Vinci and the rest of them cats was schooling you on Bitcoin? All right, where was y'all at? Y'all went nowhere. They was nowhere. I didn't hear nobody talking about nothing. All right, when it was new. All right, and everybody was laughing at Da Vinci and the other cats when they was telling y'all about Bitcoin. Where was you at? Y'all laughed at them, said they was stupid and crazy and corny, and now even your man Jamie Dimon, after he put his foot in his mouth, now he has to come clean and be like, okay, fine, Bitcoin is real. All right, what do you want me to say? I'm just saying, folks. Everybody's an expert now. It's funny because again, things move in waves and cycles. Right now, because the crypto space is where it's at, everybody's an expert. Everybody claims to have owned 1 million shares of Bitcoin at 11 cents back in 2011, and this is how they got rich. First of all, let's put everything into its perspective. Now, you know, on this channel, I give it to you real, I give it to you raw. These people, within the next 5 years, you're not going to see or hear from them again. Because I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. They're going to lose all of their money. Yes, right, you heard me say it. See, people don't have a healthy respect and appreciation for the markets. So the markets have to teach it to them. Trading is not easy. It is the hardest thing you will ever do in your life, and few people are successful in it. It is not easy. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. Wall Street would not have spent billions of dollars building out infrastructure and algorithmic technologies to be able to harness its power. All right? Understand that. Everyone's an expert. In an uber, super, mega, parabolic bull market, everybody's an expert. But what happens when the bubble bursts? What happens when the market's correct? What happens when it stays down for a long time? Now what? What if your coin goes away? What if the coins that you're in goes away? What if they become bust? Not all the coins are going to win in the end, folks. It's only going to be a handful. You need to understand that. It's only going to be a handful. Right now, we got like, what, 2,000 coins? Who knows how many coins it is now? But at the end of the day, you may only be left with maybe a couple of hundred, maybe 100. It's just how it is. It's just the waves and the cycles. You need to understand that. Learn the truth about trading. Learn how to trade correctly so that when these situations come, you'll be one of the few people that'll be able to take profit along the way and position yourselves to be winners. This thing is still new. There's a lot of kinks to get worked out, folks, especially for people located within the United States. You're extremely limited in what you can do. Folks overseas can go both long and short. They can sell short in the cryptos, and you can't in the States. You don't have those kind of exchanges available to you. And the ones that are trying, like Kraken, they have so many problems they can't handle it. So there's really no way for you to really go both long and short in the crypto space like you can with other securities and instruments. It's very hard, it's very difficult for you. So, with that being said, enter the futures market. They've created a Bitcoin futures now at the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. It's not ready to trade yet. Let me explain what I mean. Because we use the pulse wave system, the pulse wave system tells us when to get in or out of a market, when to buy, when to sell, and when to sell short. Right now is not the moment to get in, it's getting close. It needs to work some things out. I will let you know when. I will even do a video trading the instrument so you can see how it is. And you can look at its liquidity and all that good stuff. Also, last year in the fourth quarter, last year, 2017, there was introduced new mini silver and gold futures contracts. All right, so those are available to you because you know ICE started bugging. So the CME was like, forget that. We're gonna make our own Russell futures. That's this one right here, the ticker RTY. And then you know, they also had to do the mini gold and silver. So ain't nobody really messing with ICE like that no more because ICE was bugging. Excuse me. So those are a few changes that have come. What else? Everyone's talking about, you know, these movements we've seen in the gold and the silver. Silver getting back above 17, gold getting above 1300. We're gonna take a look at all these. We're gonna do an exhaustive analysis of some charts. I'm going to be looking at a lot of things. We'll look at some system charts, see what's really going on. Hack above $33 is not good. I repeat, hack above $33 is not good. All right. Make sure you have your paper wallets and stuff on your crypto secure. Only have your stuff at the exchange when you're trading. When you're done, close it. All right. Because hack at 33 is a red alarm, folks. That means there is cyber terror and other measures in the works, and that's not good for peace-loving people. All right, what else? Oh, there's so much, but that's not the purpose of this video, to be all over the place. I'm just letting you know I'm back. We'll be doing some analysis. We're going to go in. We're going to look at some things and see where we're going. If this will be a perfect time for those of you who have not um, signed up to come on over to pulsewavetrading.com. Take advantage of the 7-day free trial. You get the free study course on trading. You get the live coaching with yours truly, access to the premium trading room, and all those goodies. All right, included with your subscription. Take advantage of it while it's here. There's going to be a lot of changes coming this year. Things are going to be moving fast and furious, and you're going to want to be positioned to take advantage of it. All right, so with that being said, just want to let you know I'm back. And I'll see you, Lord willing, this evening with an end of day report. And let's kick things into high gear in 2018. Peace.